Blue Diamond trenchers for full-size and mini skid steers are built durable. Trenchers are perfect for applications in many industries. Dig ditches to set up irrigation, prepare for utility lines, and more. Attaching the drive motor to the planetary drive provides higher torque without increasing size. The planetary drive makes this trencher unit stronger and more durable than other models on the market. The planetary drive disperses the load and increases the lifespan of the hydraulic motor. Blue Diamond offers many options and features that bring this trencher to the next level. With cutting depth options of 36, 48, and 60 inches available, this trencher can dig below the frost level if needed. Choose from several different chains to fit your application. We offer dirt chains, rock chains, and combo chains in widths from 4 to 12 inches. With a wrench mounted to the side of the trencher, you will always be able to keep the chain tensioned. Choose where you place your trench with the manual side shift available on all full-size trenchers. Keep your trench depth consistent with the adjustable foot. Increase your production with the extra features engineered by Blue Diamond. The extended auger pushes debris away from the edge of the trench, saving time and additional labor. With the removable self-adjusting crummer, loose particles are dragged back towards the chain to be pulled out of the trench. These features produce an exceptionally clean trench with no manual shoveling needed. No matter the size of the job, a Blue Diamond trencher adds efficiency and speed to your operation. Tough and durable. The Blue Diamond Trencher.